love a wedge salad, so I thought, why not grill it? Because I feel like the smoke from the grill accentuates everything, including salad, including lettuce. So we're just gonna throw these on for a little char marks.
Sounds good, I love it.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So first, let me just drizzle these with a little bit of olive oil. Where's our duck fat? We got it? And we're just gonna make these pretty on the grill. Even lettuce can sizzle, Hakim.
Oh, still got that sizzle on rails up this time. I love it.
You can't go wrong with a nice wedge salad.
No,
especially if you grill it.
Hey, Robyn, quick question.
Yeah.
What advice would you have for some young woman 10 years younger than you, but they see GrillGirl Robyn, they see you competing, they see you've made a lane for yourself in a male-dominated field.
Right.
Any advice for them?
Don't be afraid to do it. It's the same as cooking in your kitchen. If you can cook in your kitchen, you can cook outside. You're managing a heat source. And honestly, it's just so much more fun anyway. Grilling in general is kind of a male-dominated thing, but there's a lot more women than there used to be. I know when I first started my blog about grilling, GrillGirl, people were like kind of surprised that I was a chick grilling, but that's why I made it my charge to just kind of change that stereotype. You know, like, look at me, I'm a pipsqueak. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
Let's take a look at these salads. Let's see if we got a nice char on the rope.
Ooh.
They're looking nice and bright too.
Well, there we go. Look at the caramelization on the lettuce.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.